What's up guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to board slide in Skate 4. So first of all we need to open our settings, and then inside our settings if I go to gameplay, then I'm using the classic control preset, but if you are using streamline preset then I'll talk you about that process as well. Firstly let's see classic control. So I need to go back to my game, and here we just need to flick our right stick down and then up like so, and then your character will do a board slide. So let me try that again, down and then up, and there we go. This is the process for classic control preset. Now the process for streamline is more easier. For that we just have to flick our right stick up once and then he will do the board slide. Let me show that here. We just have to flick it up and then he will do the board slide. Let me try that here as well, up, and then you can see he did the board slide pretty easily like this. So this is the entire process. Hope this helps. If it did, please like this video and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.